Right, on this video I'm going to show you this chimney I'll come to. Customer's got a leak. Been like it when we moved in. Other roofers have come round. Point there. They come round this lead sealant, sealing all around the gaps. The other side's the same. Around on this joint. All false sealant. The other side's actually worse. And what they not even thought about is the tiles are right in the bottom of the back gutter, not letting no dirt come out. I actually cleared this big bunch here out here, so it's blocking this up. And what that was worse as well. I scraped out my fingers. But what's been happening is water's been growing here. That is almost the same height as that, back of that lead there, and with all the dirt, when it rains hard, the water can't get out quick enough, especially with the tiles holding all the dirt in place, so it can't flow out. So I'm just going to pour some water here, see how high it gets. Oh, there you see, it's gone over. So when it's heavy rain, it'll run over there. Remember, that was full of dirt here, so none of this could flow out. And water's been leaking over there. And the house is about 25 years old, they told me. It's an ongoing problem, and the tiles need cutting back to allow dirt to flow out, and that needs some battering under between this truss and that one to raise it up, but not too much that the tiles won't sit down, so it kicks it out the bottom more. But it's not the first time I've seen it. I've seen things like this many times. But you get roofers that don't really know what they're doing, or lazy and can't bother to cut the tiles out. But yeah, not even no batten or anything under there. But the felt runs straight under there. The felt is just cut flat with the wall. Same what goes on the felt just runs straight down the chimney. So they don't even do anything. Don't add an extra bit of turned up felt in there. It then goes under this next lot, so it cups it, so it kicks it back outside. Alright, thanks for watching. If you've got a similar problem, this could be it. Thanks.